In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse sections in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or organizing your slides for a project, knowing how to effectively utilize sections can make a world of difference in how easily you can navigate and manage your deck. Let's walk through the steps. Initially, we're going to focus on adding sections if you haven't done so yet. Begin by entering the normal view. This is the default view when you open PowerPoint, and it's where you can see your slides arranged as thumbnails on the left side of the screen in what's known as the slides pane. To add a new section, identify where between your existing slides you'd like to create this division. Right-click in the space between those slides. When you do, a context menu will appear. Click on Add Section to create a new division in your slide deck. You'll be prompted to name this section. Something descriptive like Introduction or Data Slides can help keep everything neatly organized. After naming your first section, repeat the process to add more sections throughout your presentation. This feature is especially useful when dealing with a substantial number of slides, ensuring everything remains systematic and manageable. Now let's move on to collapsing or expanding the sections you've just created. Return to the slides pane on the left hand side. Here you'll notice that above each group of slides there is a section header. This acts as a visual separator for your sections. Next to each section name there is a small arrow. This is the key to collapsing and expanding the sections. Clicking this arrow will hide the slides within that specific section, collapsing the view so that only the section name is visible. Conversely, clicking it again will expand the section, allowing you to view all the slides contained within. This functionality can be incredibly useful for tidying up your workspace, especially when working with presentations that consist of over 20 slides. By collapsing sections that you're not currently working on, you can simplify your view and focus only on the parts of the deck that are pertinent at the moment. This method not only keeps your slide deck organized, but also significantly enhances your workflow, preventing the clutter that can often bog down productivity. Mastering the art of expanding and collapsing sections in PowerPoint is simple yet powerful, making your presentation making process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in today. With these instructions, you should now be able to organize your PowerPoint presentations more effectively. Keep practicing, and soon manipulating sections in PowerPoint will become second nature to you. Happy organizing!